my head. You woke me up, honey, woke me up from a day. Done so many things, nobody can. Tall drink of water, I'm a thirsty man. You got legs up to your eyeballs, honey, open my eyes to see. You got long blonde hair, beautiful eyes that can burn a hole right through me. Well, you made me feel like I'm alive again. I don't know where it's going, but I know where I've been. You done so many things, nobody can. Tall drink of water, I'm a thirsty man. Well, I get you two between a man and a woman ain't no big deal to me. In fact, I think most guys would say that he looks attractively. Well, I know barefoot, I got a toe to kiss you, honey, that's alright with me. You wear a hat, I'm in boots, and it works out perfectly. I'm gonna tell you, baby, you're a whole lot of woman when you give me a call. Gonna see me in coming, that's quite like me in the whole wide land. Tall drink of water, I'm a thirsty man. Thirsty man. Thirsty man.
Hér erum við staddir á Melgerðismelum og það fer allt úrskeiðis sem að getur farið úrskeiðis. Gaui gat ekki sett farmhand í gang og svo gat hann ekki sett stykk í gang. Hjá mér voru servóarnir í tómu tjóni, einhver bilun eða truflun. Mummi kom ekki stykkinum í gang og það fór ekkert í gang hjá Sveinbirni. Þannig að þetta var ekki dagur hérna miklu fluga á Melgerðismelum. Stars in my eyes, visions in my head. You woke me up, honey, woke me up from the day. Done